you at? Mom's on the road. What do we got? Canada, what? Canada, Vegas, and San Jose? Is that what we got going on? Let's go, baby. Mom's on the low. Judges, you ready? Crowd, you ready? What's going on? Oh, he's testing the floor. He's testing the floor. Let's do it. One round each. Top 16. Floorgangz anniversary. Let's go. Alright. He's taking his time with it, y'all. Two more. Let's go, Q-Bar. Santana, he having fun with it, y'all. Look at that smile. He having fun. Powerful. What you got, Q-Bar? He's playing with it. Nice. Rain check. 2 more. Let's go. Mom's on the low. Alright. Remember, brothers, this is how you might make some praise. We beat off your energy, y'all. Okay, okay. Hey, mom's on the low. They looking kind of high. Let's go. Alright. Bring it back. Yeah. I see it. Oh, it's cold. Alright. He's smooth with it. Double threat. I see it. Mom's on the low with the energy. Last round. Top 16. Okay. Let's go. Oh, shit. Yup. Let's go. He's playing with him. Come on, baby. He's playing with him. Let's go. Mom's on the left. Okay. Oh, he ain't done. Uh-oh. Let's go. Oh. What's up, Spark? What you got, Spark? San Jose Headhunters. He said that's his shit. So what's up, Spark? Okay. Let's go. Oh, wrist hit. What's up, Spark? He's serious about it. So that was a high battle. Crowd, did you like that battle? Crowd, did you like that battle? What? You want to see what? Another what? Oh shit, he said another round. Judges, 3, 2, 1. They wrote a rain check on that ass. Rain check is moving on, y'all. Hey, give it up for Moms on the Low.